My name is Conrad, and I suffer from retinitis pigmentosa.
1.5 million Canadians live with vision loss.
My wife suffered from Stargardt's disease.
And I have a Leber's congenital amaurosis.
I'm colorblind, I'm night blind, I'm very nearsighted, and I have very poor acuity, and I'm considered legally blind here in Canada.
I was diagnosed with glaucoma.
Having been diagnosed with macular degeneration, I know what's ahead of me.
It's now catching up with me quite fast.
5.59 million estimated Canadians have an eye disease that puts them at risk of vision loss.
Glaucoma can be a very isolating and very lonely disease, and I think that probably applies to any form of vision loss.
As someone who lives with vision loss, it's really important to know that we're not alone and that there are people who are fighting on our behalf.
Research that Fighting Blindness Canada supports are critical.
Vision research, obviously, super exciting field. A lot of the cutting edge science generally across genetics and stem cells are going on in the eye because of how complex they are and how much that science can be applied elsewhere.
40 million invested in vision research and education by Fighting Blindness Canada since 1974.
Issues from so many different levels, research, clinical, individuals and families that without your support, how would we keep moving forward?
Because it's really rather stunning to find you're losing your sight.
I have been hoping for a treatment.
My disability doesn't identify who I am.
It's so hard to even put that into words how much it means to know that there's people that are backing this fight.
I'm excited about the opportunity to take all of the work that we've done over the last 15 years and finally see it come to fruition.
It's just a wonderful organization.
And it's people like you that really give us hope. So thank you.
Thank you for supporting vision research.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for supporting this amazing national initiative.
Donate to support vision research at fightingblindness.ca.